Today I am reviewing the JUFINX Compressed Air Duster X117. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The JUFINX Compressed Air Duster X117 is one of those modern cleaning tools that feels surprisingly powerful the moment you turn it on. At first glance, it looks like a compact handheld gadget, but once you start using it, you quickly realize it delivers performance that easily replaces traditional canned air and makes cleaning electronics in tight spaces much more efficient and convenient. Right away, the most impressive feature is the 150,000 revolutions per minute brushless motor. This level of speed produces extremely strong airflow, reaching up to 52 meters per second. In practical use, this means it can blast away dust, dirt, and debris from areas that are usually very difficult to clean. Whether it's a dusty keyboard, computer components, car interiors, or small electronic devices, the airflow is strong enough to clear particles without needing physical contact. One of the biggest advantages of this air duster is its adjustable 3-gear system. Instead of a single fixed airflow level, you can customize the power depending on the situation. The lower settings are perfect for delicate electronics where you want controlled cleaning, while the higher settings are ideal for stubborn dust, outdoor use, or heavier debris. This flexibility makes it useful in a wide range of environments rather than just one specific task. Battery performance is another strong point. The built-in rechargeable battery allows for up to 4 hours of use on the lowest gear, which is more than enough for multiple cleaning sessions. It also supports fast Type-C charging, which is a big convenience because you can easily recharge it using common modern charging cables. Over time, this makes it a much more cost-effective and eco-friendly alternative to disposable compressed air cans, which need constant replacement. In terms of versatility, this device goes beyond just cleaning keyboards or computers. It comes with multiple nozzles and brushes that allow it to adapt to different tasks. You can use it to clean office desks, home electronics, car interiors, and even outdoor equipment. Interestingly, it can also be used for light inflating tasks or helping manage small campfires, which adds an unexpected level of usefulness for outdoor activities. Another major benefit is its lightweight and compact design. Weighing only around 0.48 pounds and measuring just 5.7 inches in length, it is extremely easy to carry and store. This makes it ideal for both home and travel use. The included lanyard adds even more convenience, allowing you to carry it easily while moving around or working outdoors. Despite its small size, it does not feel weak or underpowered in any way. When using it on a computer setup, the difference is immediately noticeable. Dust that builds up inside keyboards, fans, and tight crevices is quickly removed without needing to open devices or use brushes alone. For PC builders, gamers, or anyone who regularly maintains electronics, this tool becomes incredibly practical for keeping systems clean and improving airflow efficiency. For car owners, it is equally useful. Dust that accumulates in air vents, dashboards, and seat corners can be difficult to remove with cloths alone, but the strong airflow easily pushes it out. This makes interior cleaning faster and more thorough, especially in areas where traditional cleaning tools struggle to reach. Another important aspect is long-term reliability and support. The product comes with a 2-year warranty and 24/7 customer service, which adds confidence when investing in it. Knowing that support is available if anything goes wrong makes it feel like a safer and more dependable purchase compared to cheaper alternatives. Overall, the JUFINX Compressed Air Duster X117 delivers a powerful combination of high-speed airflow, portability, and versatility. It effectively replaces disposable air cans, offers adjustable cleaning power, and works across a wide range of applications from electronics to cars and outdoor use. For anyone looking for a modern, reusable, and high-performance cleaning tool, this air duster stands out as a practical and powerful solution that makes dust removal faster, easier, and far more efficient.